guys, welcome back to a new video on my channel. In today's video, I wanted to take you guys along a self-care day. I know that I kind of do these a lot, and I recently did a Sunday reset routine, and I do self-care and all of that in most of my videos. But today I just wanted to take the full day to just do like a self-care day, like a deep self-care day where I just chill, I take care of myself, I pamper myself, and I just do things that make me feel good in the inside. So if you like these types of videos, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video. I post weekly, 2 times a week, and don't forget to like this video and comment anything you'd like down below. Also follow my Instagram. I'm trying to grow my Instagram more, and let's get on with the video. Okay, so first thing that I want to do is make a self-care to-do list just so I know everything that I want to do, and so I could do it kind of like in order and go step by step so I could accomplish everything that I want to get done. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is clean my room. Not really cleaning, but just like making my bed, kind of like putting clothes away, like organizing a little bit just so I could have like a cleaner space, because I can't like do my self-care and all of that if my room is a mess, because that's like the first thing that just makes my head spiral. And I definitely want my room to be clean, my space to be clean, just so my mind could be clean and I could actually like do my self-care and relax. So that's the first step. Then I'm going to take an everything shower. That means like exfoliating, shaving, washing my hair, shampooing, conditioning, washing my face, like everything, the whole 9 yards. We're gonna be just doing my everything shower, and I'm gonna be showing you all the products that I use in the shower, out of the shower, my skincare, all of that. So then obviously after the shower, the next step is skincare. So I'm gonna be, like I said, showing you like my moisturizer, everything that I use, just like my lotion, just everything, like after my shaving routine, just all of those products. Then I have this ginger shot that I don't know if it's a ginger shot actually, maybe it's just like another type of shot. I don't think it's a ginger shot, because if you guys have been like watching my videos for a while now and you've watched like most of my videos, you know that before, in like the beginning of my channel kind of, I would always buy these ginger shots from like the supermarket, and I would always take them. But one time it was literally so strong that I got like traumatized, and I literally never took a ginger shot ever again. Like I haven't had one since that day. I don't remember if I vlogged it. Honestly, I don't remember. But point is that I haven't had a ginger shot in a while. So the other day I went to the supermarket and I bought like one of these like shots, but I don't know if it's a ginger shot. I think it was just like turmeric and something else, like cayenne or something. I don't know, we'll see later, but I want to take that shot just so I could like kind of clean my insides. I don't know, that's kind of what it feels like. Every time I take these shots, I feel like I'm rejuvenating my inside, like my body. Then I'm gonna take my vitamins. I'm gonna show you guys the vitamins that I take and like the benefits and all those things. Then I'm going to bake cookies, because whenever I have like a self-care day, I love like kind of giving myself a little treat. So I'm gonna bake cookies because I love baking cookies at night, like just when I have like my skincare on and I'm like all clean and fresh and cozy, and then just like baking some cookies and like watching some YouTube or something. Like that is literally the best feeling on the planet. Like cuddling with my blanket, that's literally the best feeling on the planet. So we're gonna be baking cookies tonight, and then I'm probably gonna like online shop. Not really online shop, but I want to get like this one thing, and I've been like looking at the website, but I haven't really found like the one thing that I want. So I'm probably gonna like find it, maybe even purchase it tonight. And yeah, I'm probably just gonna like browse online shop, see if I find anything I like or anything for like the fall. So this is my little like weekly agenda that I have, and this is today. So I'm going to be doing all of this. As you could see, I wrote everything that I want to get done today, and now that I have this to-do list, we could start. So the first thing is cleaning my room. So I haven't made my bed yet, so I'm going to make my bed, and I have some clean laundry that I want to fold and put away. So that's the first thing that I'm gonna do. So I completely forgot that I have a package that I want to open. In one of my recent videos, I showed that I bought some purses and that I was missing one, and I finally got it. Okay, so I bought a white purse. Oh my god, it's actually really cute. What the fuck? Okay, there's a little bit of a problem. So as you could see, it's open, right? So you close the zipper and it's open. So the zipper is not zippering. These are the things that get me mad. What the heck is wrong with this? It's actually really cute. Like, as you can see, it's very subtle. It's just like a white purse, like very basic, very cute, very small, very dainty, but I don't know why it doesn't work. So that's great. I'm gonna have to return it and figure it out because I cannot be walking with an open purse. That's not very safe of me. And I don't know if someone could like fix the zipper. I don't really know, but I'm so sad because it's actually so cute. Anyways, now I'm gonna take an everything shower because I feel like feeling nice and fresh and clean and cozy and just smelling good and the best vibes ever. So I'm going to take my everything shower. I'm gonna wash my hair, I'm gonna shave, I'm gonna do the whole 9 yards, show you guys everything. Okay, I just got out of the shower and I literally feel so clean right now and like so rejuvenated. And now I'm doing my skincare. It literally feels amazing. Like, I cannot stress it enough. I feel like it's super repetitive when I do my skincare like in my room. So sometimes I like changing it up and I do it in my bathroom, as you could see. Because I don't know, sometimes I get tired of like the same setup all the time, and you guys probably do as well, so that's why I like switching it up. So basically I'm just wearing like a very basic outfit. I'm just wearing a black tank top and black jeans because I don't know, I just felt like wearing black today and I was like, black on black could never go wrong. Like, it's just so easy. Also, I recently got a new conditioner I showed you guys and it smells so good, like so good. I bought it at Target and it's like this brand that's like paraben free and like sulfate free, all of that, and it's so good. Like, the smell of it, oh my gosh, like my hair lately has been smelling so good. I am literally in love with how it smells. Usually I wash my hair twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week, but I try to not do it that much because my hair gets very greasy like really fast, and I don't use dry shampoo because I have like scalp problems. Like, I don't know, my scalp is always so dry and I don't want to like make it even more dry, so I don't want to use all these products in my hair right now. I only use shampoo and conditioner. I don't do anything else to my hair. I don't use any hair products, any hair oils, hair masks, nothing. But honestly, like, I wish I could. I just feel like it would make my hair even worse and like ruin my scalp and stuff, so that's why I don't. Okay, so this is my hair when it's all brushed out, but then when it dries, because usually I let my hair air dry because I just don't like putting heat on my hair. But today I'm actually gonna straighten my hair because since it's like a self-care day, I kind of want to make myself look cute and presentable and just make me feel nice and cute. So I'm gonna straighten my hair later, but I'm gonna let it like air dry a little bit at least. Maybe like later, if it gets like a little late and it's not fully dry, then I'm gonna have to blow dry it a little bit. But I usually just like letting my hair air dry just because I used to put a lot of heat on my hair and I used to straighten my hair very often, but now I only do it when I travel or I have plans or I have events, something like that, like it's Christmas or something, but I don't do it like on a daily. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it air dry. So right now I am going to paint my nails this color. I painted my nails this color not too long ago, like maybe like a month ago or something, but then I ended up taking it off and now I want to repaint them. It looks like this. It's very cute. I love it, and it's super like fall. I'm only gonna do my hands obviously because I never like have my toes out. Okay, so So now I'm going to take an immunity defense shot with turmeric and probiotic. This is an organic little shot that I bought at the grocery store not too long ago. I used to drink a lot of these like ginger shots, but I don't know why, like I just haven't in a while. But I feel like I really need like a little like booster and like a little cleansing in the insides of my body. So I bought this not too long ago. I was gonna buy the ginger one, but then I was like, no, not the ginger. So I got turmeric instead, which I don't know if that's any better. I'm pretty sure that turmeric is also really bad. Oh my God, it smells so bad. I have to have like a water bottle ready. This is gonna help me because this is gonna be my chaser. You know how when people drink, they take the shot and then they have the chaser? This is what I'm gonna do right now. Ah! Oh my God! Holy fuck. My tongue right now. This is like an immunity shot and it's perfect because now it's like getting colder and it's like fall and like winter's coming and all of that. So we have to have a strong immunity system because if not, we're gonna get sick really quickly. And I used to get sick like very often before. Like, I don't know why. I feel like as kids, you just get sick so quickly. But I haven't gotten sick in a really long time. Knock on wood, because I don't want to get sick. I hate getting sick. I think I remember last time I got sick, I was literally in bed for like a week. Like I couldn't like stand up. I couldn't like breathe. Like I was dying. So it's good that I took this. I actually just realized that it's an immunity shot. So it's going to help with my immunity system. And it's perfect because the weather is changing and you know, fall is here and stuff. So it's perfect. Okay, so I have like a pimple right here, as you could see. It's kind of painful and I feel like it's transforming into a very big pimple. Like I feel like I'm gonna have a huge pimple right here. So I wanted to put on a pimple patch. I have like these little pimple patches that are invisible and I wanted to put one on just so I could like sleep with it and stuff. So yeah, as you can see, it's basically like invisible and I feel like it's gonna help. So right now I am going to change my computer wallpaper. The wallpaper that I have right now is from September and we are in November. It is the start of a new month. It's November. Happy November. So it's been like 2 months and I still have the September wallpaper. So I wanted to change it. I'm obviously still gonna keep it very like fall themed, but it literally says Hello September and it has like the September calendar. So I want to switch it and make it like November, and then obviously for Christmas I'm going to make a Christmas one, but I want to change it up for November just because like I don't want to open my computer and see Hello September. Like it's messing up with my mind and I don't know why I didn't make one for October. But yeah, I'm just going to get some pictures off Pinterest, or just maybe I could just keep the same pictures because they're still like fall themed, but I could just change it to like a November wallpaper. So this is the final product. It's super cute. I loved how it turned out. So right now I'm going to straighten my hair because I actually have plans tomorrow, so I want to, you know, look cute and stuff. So I have this straightener. It's from the brand Babyliss Pro Titanium, and I haven't straightened my hair in like a really long time. I can't really remember the last time I straightened my hair, but I think it's been like months. So I'm excited to straighten my hair. And also this straightener is new. I got it on my birthday in June. So I've only used it like very little, like barely, because this summer I barely used it since I was like in the beach and stuff. So I barely used it, and I don't know, probably used it like a handful of times. So I'm excited to try it out again because I honestly forgot how it was.
Welcome to Miami. New York is the city that we know don't sleep. New York, then the fuck up. Like keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. Make me lose my breath, make me water.
This is my favorite song right now. It's so good. SZA and Drake.
I still got some love deep inside of me. My man take the ride to me. Ride to me. Just might get that G-Wagon out of me. Holy gang, petty gang. I need a little conversation. Tell me if she still up 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? The smoke got me talking in Dutch. Killing these beats, so what? She creaming on me, I'm a crush. She asking why I haven't done nothing. Join the moment, so what? I'm always gonna keep it a buck. Handle me, who gon' handle me? Thinking he's a player, he's a member on the team. Front of 9 side going southbound. They say that life's about balance, baby, and the balance is in my account now. Okay, girl, if it worked, then it worked. It is hey, you in 5 minutes. Talking shit for the hell of it. Bitch, I said what I said. She the devil. My happiness is all of your misery. Put good dick all in my kidneys.
Okay, so these are the 2 vitamins that I take. This one is a multivitamin for women, and it's basically like capsules for veggies. So like it's supplements for veggies because I don't really love vegetables. I try to incorporate vegetables in like soups and things that are kind of like mixed with something else because I don't like vegetables by themselves. So I take this because, you know, I need to get my veggies in. It's basically just formulated to support energy, immune, and bone health. And I've been taking this for like many years. And then I take vitamin D because even though I live in Miami and I have the sun and all of that, I still am low in vitamin D. Well, last time I got my blood taken out, they said that I was a little bit low on vitamin D, which I don't know why. It supports strong bones and immune health. So this is basically for my immune system. These are the 2 pills that I need to take. I haven't really been taking my vitamins as much as I used to. Before I used to take them like every single day religiously, but I haven't in a while, so I'm gonna take them today.